Hey everyone! Welcome back to Design Furniture. Today, we're diving into a really exciting project, how to paint laminate furniture. If you've ever wondered whether you can give that glossy, plastic-like surface a new lease on life, this video is for you. So, grab your brushes, and let's get started on transforming your furniture. To start, you'll need some specific supplies. You'll need sandpaper or a sanding block, a good quality primer, the paint of your choice, a few brushes or a small roller, painter's tape, and some clear protective top coat. Optional but helpful are a tack cloth and a drop cloth to keep your work area clean. Preparing the furniture. Preparation is key when it comes to painting laminate. Start by cleaning your piece thoroughly with a mild detergent and water to remove any dirt and grease. Painting. Once your primer is dry, it's time to paint. Apply the paint in thin, even coats. For the best finish, use a small foam roller which helps avoid brush marks. Depending on the color and type of paint, you might need 2 or 3 coats to get even coverage. Applying the top coat. After your final coat of paint has dried, it's time to seal your work. Apply a clear top coat to protect the paint from chips, scratches, and stains. This will also give your furniture a professional-looking finish. Whether you choose a matte or glossy finish depends on your personal preference. Final touches and care. Remove any painter's tape you used and make any touch-ups if needed. Allow the piece to cure for a few days before using it. This will ensure the paint and top coat are fully set, providing a durable finish. And that's it. You've successfully transformed your laminate furniture with just a few simple steps. Not only have you saved a piece from possibly ending up in landfill, but you've also personalized it to fit your style. Thanks for tuning in to Design Furniture. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY furniture tips and tricks. Let us know how your projects turn out or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.